what does the practical impact of AI adoption look like? This is the story of how TELUS Digital deployed a suite of data and AI services to transform parent company TELUS's entire value chain.
TELUS is one of the leading telecom companies globally.
A huge part of our culture is embracing innovation and change.
When we saw ChatGPT launch, the initial reaction is both excitement, but also fear and concern. Everyone had tried it, and immediately we think, well, we have no control of this. And you're left with a few options. One of those is to try say, we're going to ban this.
If we shut it, we're sticking our heads in the sand and we're missing the opportunity. How can we make it accessible and let everybody use it, but do it in a safe way that we know it's controlled, we know that it's safe and everything?
Because you don't fail small with AI, the impacts can be huge and very consequential. So we set up the framework for how we would adopt that as a business.
We're extremely lucky to be in such a big organization. The way we've been seeing this is, let's serve ourselves as much as possible. Let's tailor our products to each of those divisions, each of those groups, learn from them, get their feedback, refine our approach with that. And then once it's ready, we can package that and sell it externally and help others with our solutions.
TELUS looked to their subsidiary, TELUS Digital, as a key partner in spearheading their AI transformation.
Being proactive and understanding the data that you have, what you can use it for, how it will be used throughout the AI system is absolutely critical for getting it right from an outcome perspective.
Next, TELUS Digital purpose-built a suite of tools that could solve TELUS's existing customer experience pain points.
Team members were having challenges accessing information, understanding our tools.
It took 16 weeks to train them to be ready for the call centers because we have multiple products, we have different line of businesses, and they need to be able to answer as many questions as possible from the clients when they call in.
We saw generative AI as a huge opportunity to transform that experience, implement self-serve, and look at new ways that team members can focus on the work that they do best.
TELUS Digital rapidly developed the Fuel iX platform, a secure walled garden for widespread internal AI experimentation.
Fuel iX was developed to solve two problems around generative AI. First, business executives need to move quickly. The second is IT executives need a set of tools to centrally manage a growing list of generative AI capabilities within the organizations.
It's really efficient in terms of we're able to leverage the best of each world, manage the cost at the same time, manage the best performance on a core platform that fuels all the other use cases.
By democratizing AI access to all TELUS team members, building solutions on Fuel iX and other cloud environments like Google and Amazon Connect, TELUS Digital accelerated productivity and workflow enhancement, unlocking massive cost savings.
Because we'd already scaled them and hardened them, we could turn them into templates and we could re-offer those to other organizations and help them get the same benefits faster with the trust and confidence that TELUS had already been through the problem of making sure that it worked properly.
And there are so many use cases because if you allow people to play with it and people from various disciplines, they will start uncovering the ways that this can increase their productivity. I think we're just at the beginning and the tip of the iceberg here, but we've already seen those dividends.
With each new implementation backed by TELUS Digital's proven blueprint, TELUS converts AI ambitions into measurable multi-million-dollar victories.
In order to really understand generative AI, you need to start using it. You need to experiment with it. And that is so much a part of the work we do around data and AI literacy.
And that led to kind of a snowball effect to keep going and keep making it bigger and keep making it bolder and have a voice in this space. But it very much could have gone the other way. That fear could have stopped us from moving forward.
Every organization faces the same question about AI. Where do we start? The answer doesn't need to be complicated. Start with a partner that's already turned AI into quantifiable business outcomes. That partner is TELUS Digital.